Good morning, guys. Greetings. One love. Yeah, man. I'm open about this morning and you know the energy go. Always active. Me in the kitchen and there take and turn fashion at the moment. Yeah, man. I feel for some press planting and ackee and saltfish. Yeah, man. So I finished preparing the ackee already. Yeah, man. My apologies for not showing you all the process of doing, well, fixing up the ackee. But you know it's something go. Go there, yeah, there. Yeah, man. But cut long story short, guys, I've been facing some technical difficulties from the other day. Yeah, man. I don't know what's the issue with my devices, but I'm constantly running out of storage. Yeah, man. I don't know what's the problem. I've been trying to solve it, but I can't get around it. As soon as I start videoing, it tell me that I'm running out of storage. Even when I move the storage from one point to a next, I'm still facing that issue. Hopefully, I can solve it as soon as possible. Yeah, man. So y'all know the energy go. New footage is coming out eventually. Yeah, man. But for now, I have to be going live, and it's a little bit stressing due to the fact that you can't really prepare for live. Yeah, man. And there is so much taking place in and around the surroundings where you have to prep feet first before you just go live. So you can't just jump up and do just like that. Yeah, man. But hopefully, guys, I'm gonna fix things so y'all can look out for new footages coming in quite soon. Yeah, man. Because this is not a big issue, or just a small matter. I trust that you all are feeling fine, you're up and about, and active as usual. Yeah, man. Now burn up the plant in a minute, guys. Yeah, guys, don't bash me for using my hand now. There is forks in the kitchen. Yeah, man, but you know it's something go. I came here grow with a special shout out to 1J Bigs. Yeah, man. You know it's something go. My brother keep getting up, getting about, getting out there, and doing the right thing, man. It's a blessing. Charlie Pro, one love, man. You know it's something go, my brother. Out here, I listen to the what? Good work, yeah, man. Guys, Charlie Pro is an engineer slash musician. I don't know if we get it right, but you know it's something go. Charlie Pro is an engineer from St. Thomas. Young youth that do him thing. It's a blessing, man. So gradually as we progress still, yeah, we get to know more about the family. Yeah, man. This is yard as is Jamaica yard life. I tell you, say get up, get about, get out there and do the right thing, man. No place like yard. That is it, guys. I'm chip out in a few. Yeah, man. I won't stick around long with you all. Okay, you know where the energy go. I have to get up and get about and make sure see how I sort out the plan them properly. So stick around, man. That is it. And thanks much for the support. As I said from before, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. It's a blessing. Walk good.